interrupted with the Xysubfilter module DLL blocking high-performance subtitle filter workflow. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. Before diving into the Xysubfilter module technical steps, check the description for a tool to help synchronize your library paths. This is the Xysubfilter module, a specialized library for high-performance subtitle rendering in media players. It interfaces with the MadVR renderer to provide crisp, high-resolution subtitles over video. If missing, media players using the direct show pipeline will show video without subtitles or report a filter initialization failure. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. Because Xysubfilter module DLL is a proprietary component linked to the high-performance subtitle filter system, a standard Windows repair will not find it, so you must reinstall the program where the error occurred to replace the file. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Xysubfilter module component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. Since the restart failed to map the file path, we're going to manually point Windows to this specific database tool. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, manual registration is required to link the file to the Windows registry Hive. Without this pointer, the application cannot bridge the connection to the library. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Do not compromise your computer's health by sourcing Xysubfilter module DLL from random internet mirrors, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts designed to bypass standard antivirus protocols. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. Return to your project with a more stable environment by reviewing the maintenance-related resource linked below for Xysubfilter module references. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide saved Xysubfilter module workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.